Hey gang, Pete here from Pete's Best Tested. Thanks for joining me today. You're probably wondering, hey Pete, what are you doing in the kitchen? Um, the kitchen is one of the places where I like to prepare for travel sometimes because it's well lighted and there are good table surfaces on which I can put things to gather stuff together, see what I have, see what I need to take. And sometimes travel plans include business travel, and I have been on the lookout lately to replace my travel bag that I throw over my shoulder and put in my laptop and other things like that that I'll need for work on a business trip. Now, there are millions of these things out there. It's a super crowded field, and we know that. And you can get one of these anywhere. But I found one that I think you're going to really like, and it's from Amazon Essentials. Now, Amazon Essentials. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. Nobody's paying me to talk about this item, but Amazon Essentials items are really good. They're super high quality, and what I really like about them is that they're at a great price point. And the one I'm going to show you today is at a very good price point for this type of an item, and it's in the $45 price range. So let's dive in and take a look at this item. I think you're gonna like it. So this is it right here, Amazon Essentials travel laptop bag, computer bag, anything you want to put in it that's along those lines. And this is just made of super high quality canvas material, something like that. Very, very high quality. And you can see right here that there are these soft attachments here to the handles, which make this really comfortable to carry. Very nice to carry. And all of these zippers are super high quality metal zippers. You can see it has little Amazon Essentials name on there. Guess that's upside down, but you can see these zippers are very high quality, zip across nicely, and this thing just has tons and tons of storage space. There's a front compartment here, and in this there are separate envelope areas or holder areas for all kinds of things you can put in here, and they expand. And of course, there's a pen holder here. There's room here for all kinds of other things in these in this looped area here. You can put that your things in there. There's another pouch here that's separate, really nice. And an opening here, as you can see. So there's tons of storage in this Amazon Essentials bag. And before we get into the main compartment, which is kind of the main part of the show on this one, this I love here. The shoulder strap is super comfortable. And you can see it's made of this super high quality, squishy mesh stuff here, super comfortable on your shoulder, fully adjustable with these high quality metal loops here. Here's something I really love. This is heavy duty metal stuff here. Where it attaches and it swivels here, which makes this totally adjustable in every possible way for you to wear. Good high quality attachment. It's not going to break. And I love this, that these have a spring loaded thing here. It's super adjustable. You can hear that. You can just hear this high quality, good metal that this is made of. So this is terrific bag. Really pleased that I have this. And of course, one thing I love is that it has the luggage pass-through. You can slide this onto your luggage handle and it will just stand up nicely. Now on the Amazon website where this bag is depicted, it calls it a security checkpoint friendly bag, and that is typically what you're looking for in a bag. Not really sure, it's not really clear what they mean by that on the description, but I think it mostly has to do with the size of this bag because it has perfect dimension. There are two more zippered compartments. Again, you can see that super high quality Amazon Essentials zippers here. And in the first compartment we have here, this is where you'll store your laptop and your computer, things like that, which I'll show you in just a moment. Has you can remove this. This will fit any computer you have that you're going to want to put into this bag. And then of course there are other compartments down inside to place things in here. Here's another separate pouch. and a ton of space in this compartment. This is like the main compartment where you put your laptop and such, and another pen holder that's separately set apart. So this thing is just feature rich. And then there is this next compartment, for this heavy duty, high quality zippers. Again, it zips way down, opens super wide. And this is where you have room in these divided areas, which I just love, these kinds of big divided areas where you can put things, you can separate the things that you have to put in. Another computer, a laptop if you have that. And then of course it has these little symbols here. This looks like it's an iPad or something like that, and this is for, it says a mouse you can put in here, because over here are two more mesh compartments that you can separately put things in. So this thing's great. So let's see how many things we can fit into this to make it worthwhile to take on a trip. One essential I take on my trips is a Microsoft laptop. You may have a different one, but this is pretty standard large size. But because I have a separate little Bluetooth mouse for that and other cords and things that I keep just for this laptop, I have a separate pouch just for that, which I put into the carry-on item that we're looking at, our Amazon Essentials item that we're looking at today. So, I mean, this is a pretty hefty size item all by itself. I could just, put the laptop in by itself, but I like to include it in its special carrier just so I have all the equipment for that. And for that, I could place it in the main section here that we talked about. There's more than enough room in here to put this whole thing. It fits perfectly, and then I can strap it in, of course. Next, I do have an iPad, and this is the larger size, the 11 point whatever it is that is the larger size iPad that I like to take on my trips as well. So once again, I'm probably going to put this in here in the larger compartment too, and that perfectly fits in there. So here I have my laptop, and here I have my iPad. Another thing I like to take with me, especially if I'm on a plane or something, is my little Kindle reader here. And that's really great if you're sitting on a plane for a long time or whatever. And I'm going to put this one into one of these other compartments that we had on the other side, because it'll fit perfectly into that. So there's that. Of course, I have my iPhone. Not going to travel anywhere without that. So I'm going to put that in over here on the other side, right into that pocket there, where of course it fits perfectly. And I can fill this up with pens and other things I want to put in here. But for now, I'm just going to put the phone in there, and we can close that up. And this thing's pretty fully loaded now for to take on a trip. So here we are with our fully loaded carrier, and we'll just sling this over our shoulder. And you can see it's very comfortable, ready to take wherever we want to take it. It's not as heavy as it seems with fully loaded, and it's super comfortable, as I said, with this very nicely padded strap. It just makes this sling super comfortable. So there you have it, this Amazon Essentials sling. As I said, it's in like the $45 price point. Very well worth it in my book. And it's not a fancy name brand that will have a name tag or something like that, but it's totally affordable, very nice to use, and very comfortable to wear. So I think you'll like it. If you have any comments or thoughts on this bag, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. And if this video was helpful to you, go ahead and like and subscribe for more videos where we take a look at other travel and other essentials products for you. And if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe. It helps us build our channel so we can review more products that we can bring to you. Thanks so much.